welcome back. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse. This time guys, it's the number 123. But well, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And of course guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas para Chiner. It's a Spanish speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings.
Lots of cool stuff, guys.
Yep, I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, with that being said, let's go ahead, let's get into this. Alright guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic and now it's time for an up close look at the magazine. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse, of course in the Victorian style. And down below it says, enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. This, guys, is of course the number 123. If you would like to see the previous 122, all you have to do is check out the playlist, which will be located in the end cards in the end of this video. And down below, guys, we have the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. And of course, guys, this collection is from editorial Salvat. And well, with that being said, let's open this up. And here it says a German kitchen that's very equipped. Here you can see many kettles, pots and pans. Some nice wallpaper in the back. And here we have a full shot of the kitchen. And here it lists all of the different pieces and parts which are in the kitchen, which you see up here. Oh, and it even continues on to this page as well. And all of these things are in this little kitchen. Well, let's continue on. And here it shows some nice porcelain jars. There you can see one. There you have another. Here it talks about the load of the Light Brigade. And well guys, that's the end of that. Here we just have the front of the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. And guys, this is of course from editorial Salvat, as I said before. And well guys, now it's time to check out the new addition to our dollhouse. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright guys, let's just open this up. There we go. And here we have it, our brand new bed frame. It looks very similar to a bed frame, or the bed frame that I had as a kid growing up. It's really, really nice. You guys tell me, what do you guys think? Tell me down in the comments below. Personally, I really like it. I think I might put, maybe later, like little pink flowers here, which is how mine as a kid looked. It had little pink flowers on the bubbles here. But you guys tell me, what do you guys think? It seems to be made very well. It's very, very sturdy. It's a very sturdy piece. And it's made out of metal. Personally, I really like it. You guys tell me, what do you guys think? As always, I look forward to hearing from you guys. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas para Tener. It's a Spanish speaking channel that does giving how-tos, reviews, unboxings.
Lots of cool stuff guys.
Yep. As I said before, we'll have all of his links down in the description below, as well as mine as well. And well guys, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.